Steps to obtain a perfect nozzle check on LogoJET R-Series printers. As part of your daily startup procedure, you should perform a nozzle check to ensure that all printhead nozzles are firing properly. Missing nozzles can impact the quality of your prints, particularly when printing in fine detail. Recommended items: a clear sheet, alcohol, lint-free wipes, a Phillips head screwdriver. To perform a nozzle check, place the clear sheet on the print bed. With the printer on and driver initialized, use auto height to ensure your print media is at the correct height. Press the nozzle check button on the control panel and the system will print a nozzle check. A good nozzle check should show all lines in consistent and uniform fashion. If you have portions of the print missing, or you are showing deflections or other irregularities, there are some steps you can take to rectify the situation. Step 1. Ink bags. Check the ink bags to ensure that they are not empty. The needles are seated securely in the bags and that the bags are rolled to create gentle pressure on the lines. Step 2. Head cleanings. Perform a head cleaning by pressing the head cleaning button on the control panel. The system will pull ink through the heads before moving the carriage to the left and flashing all nozzles. Perform another nozzle check and repeat this process up to 3 times until the nozzle check is perfect. Step 3. Cap tops. If nozzles are still missing, move the carriage to the left by pressing the left key on the control panel. Inspect the cap tops to ensure they are free of debris and they are not showing any signs of deterioration. The cap tops must be in good condition to generate an appropriate amount of suction to clean the heads properly and seal the system. If you suspect a problem with your cap tops, please contact LogoJET technical support for assistance. Step 4. Wiping the heads. If the cap tops appear intact, move to cleaning the bottoms of the heads. Use the down key to move the bed down. Use 91 or 99% alcohol and a lint-free cloth to gently clean under the heads. Wipe gently from front to back, removing all ink and debris. You may also use a lint-free cloth soaked in alcohol to hold up underneath the head for a few minutes to loosen any more difficult debris. After holding the cloth on the head for a few minutes, wipe the head with a clean cloth. Step 5. Head cleanings. With the underside of the heads wiped clean, run up to 3 more head cleanings, alternating nozzle checks and head cleanings until the nozzles are clear. Step 6. Inspect for system leaks. If problems persist, move the carriage to the left and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the carriage cover and inspect the lines and dampers for leaks or punctures. Air in the system can create gaps in the nozzle checks. If there are no visible issues with the ink delivery system, return the cover to the printer and secure with the 4 screws. Press the home button to send the carriage back to the protected position. At this point, if your nozzle checks are still problematic, please contact LogoJET technical support to assist with further troubleshooting.